Yo! Alright.
It's time.
Here it is, the long-awaited single turbo Supra build.
The day has finally come.
So we got everything. We got turbos, wastegate dump pipes, rad hoses, gaskets, intakes, downpipes, manifolds, oil lines, V-bands, Marmon flanges, the whole shabam. And we got some bride seats.
New seats. Very nice.
Included with my Boost Lab oil line kit, we have the inlet, which is going to go there. Then the underside of the turbo here. This is where we're going to have the outlet. So that's going to go there with the matching gasket, of course. And then we're going to connect a bunch of this shit. And this goes to the oil pan. And then you got oil lines all hooked up. One of them on the stock turbos has to be blocked off, same with the coolant lines. This is only an oil-cooled turbo, so the stock ones are water-cooled, but we're going to have to block those lines off because we don't need it for this one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the downpipe that I got. It comes with a V-band flange, however all Borg-Warner turbos are something called a Marmon flange, where you have a piece like this, and then the clamp that goes around it. So this is going to have to be welded onto my downpipe, which is why this build might take a little bit longer than expected, because we're going to have to do some custom stuff in between installing, but I don't really know what we're going to have to do until we start installing it, so it's kind of like a do-as-you-go kind of thing.
Yeah, and you said we have to rotate the positioning of the compressor side, is it?
Yeah, compressor has to be clocked like 90 degrees to...
So we're going to have to take that apart. And then the oil fitting won't even fit on with the housing on anyway.
Yeah, so we're going to have to completely disassemble this to get the oil lines on. But like I said, we're going to cross that bridge when we get there.
Yeah.
We'll figure it all out.
One step at a time.
Right now, we're just going to get the twins off and then start planning how to get all this stuff on.
Yeah. Those people asking what Hockey Boy's workout routine is, what kind of supplements he uses.
It's the Nitro Tech Coolant and Oil
Coolant
blend.
Oil blend, yeah.
Super good.
Oh,
that's how grody that is.
Yo. So, it's just us two doing this. We've never really done anything
Everybody
like
else
this before.
bails.
Yeah, so...
This
like,
is going to be a learning experience for the both of us since we've never done any... This is probably the most intrusive thing I've ever done to an engine outside of school.
Yeah.
So
we've rebuilt engines in school, but
that's all like instructor led.
Like Jesse was saying, these stock ones are water and oil cooled. So our first step is just to drain all the coolant.
Got a catch pan right here.
Yeah. Clean that out, as you guys saw.
Should be pretty good to reuse.
But yeah, probably gonna start with I don't know how far we'll get in this video,
No clue.
but strut bar, obviously. A lot of these vacuum lines are going to take off. Maybe hopefully these cast pieces here, just so we actually have access to the manifold itself and the heat shield and
It'd be nice to make like at least half the progress today. Like half today, half tomorrow would be ideal. But if we can do it all today, like why not?
And you said your goal by the end of tomorrow, the latest, was to have the stock twins out.
Yeah.
So. Yeah.
Pretty big time limit. Nothing. I don't want to rush this. I don't want to do anything proper. So we're just gonna take our time and
do it the right way the first time.
All right.
Yeah. So let's get started with draining that coolant.
It's just a threaded plug. It's worked, but totally the wrong tool for the job. Cool. Box.
First thing off.
So I guess the plan for this is just start pulling shit off, taking out bolts, and then when we get stuck, we're gonna go to Google.
And look, we got all the instructions out here, step by step.
What are we doing this for?
This is mostly for the children, why we printed this off. Setting up the workbench, staying organized.
Get it played out. Yeah, that's the main thing. I want to be organized for this. Like,
yeah.
I'm sick of trying to find bolts and stuff.
Check out this nice organized workbench. But
Take out the airbox.
you take off the airbox, and then all these things. You know, pretty much anything with like a clip that we can keep together and take off.
You know, anything that has a clip or a bolt, we're gonna take out.
Yeah.
We got adapter, extension, adapter, extension, socket.
For those hard to reach
Where'd it go?
places. Bottom.
Yeah, that's right. Take that, Tara.
We only have one ratchet here. Oh yeah.
It's a grody filter.
He's just drawing over here. I'm working on his car. And I'm just kidding. Yes! The first real piece.
Damn. Look at that progress, though.
Yeah. It wasn't me. Everything's still safe.
Woo!
No.
Yo, don't tell them about
mistake.
that. Don't tell them about that.
Oh, I'm just saying you're labeling, you know, what size. Mac Tools. If you're watching this, label your sockets and also sponsor us
Yeah,
with tools.
Send us a bunch of tools.
This is the progress.
That's actually not bad.
Yeah, hey?
Airbox is out.
Everything's out.
I got all this too. Yo, this is literally just gonna be a filter here.
Yeah. With a big ass turbo like right here. There's the first turbo.
Let's take off the hoses right now.
Alright, rad hose is next. Oh, there we go. Nice.
Don't ever buy G+ rad hoses.
Oh yeah, they look nice,
They look nice. They feel
But-
nice.
but they ain't.
Disconnect cruise control actuator from throttle body. Okay. Remove number 1 air hose, air cleaner duct. I'm pretty sure the air hose is already out.
Yeah.
Cruise control actuator. I believe that's.
That.
This is all boost controller stuff.
Yeah, leading to this.
How the fuck did I install this? Like, where did these even go?
There's like 3 lines going to different places.
Yo, I don't understand. Like, there was an airbox here, and somehow I got my hand. I actually don't comprehend this. Like, some of this
Ooh.
shit is so in there. And I did this with everything on.
Yeah.
Like, what? The fuck? Hey. Fender covers are such a good idea.
Yeah, they are. Woo! Sick. This is fun as fork. If you guys ever want to have fun, buy a twin turbo Supra, then buy a big single and then install it.
With your buddies.
Yeah,
It's a good time.
it's a good time.
Cool.
All right, what's next?
We gotta get all these
Little ones off.
vacuum lines and shit off. God knows where that goes.
Yeah, But we're finding out, and then we're putting the tape on it, as you can see, labeling to where it goes. And yeah. That wrist action. Use that practice.
Ow. Just squeeze that.
Nice. Ow! Oh shit. I have like 20 more to go.
90% of the video is just gonna be us breathing heavily.
Yeah, we should put music over the top.
Like an ancient hose though.
It's ancient. We could sell it to some antique collectors. Oh, there's a fitting on there. Watch out. See?
Yeah.
Oh wait, but we don't even need that anymore. So, but still, it's good to be
Well, we
careful.
can leave that there then.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Now just the smaller ones.
Fuck.
Come on. Just doesn't look like it's moving. Yeah, it goes to each coil pack. I'm trying to figure out where this comes to. What this solenoid is for. Time to take this piece out. Hopefully.
If you've ever done a turbo swap on a Supra and you know how to properly do it, don't comment anything.
Yeah. Don't comment how we're doing things wrong.
Don't say how we're doing this backwards or whatever. Buys the Supra. Starts to disassemble the Supra. I really hope we know what we're doing.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Sick.
Pop them out of the holes. It's coming.
Fuck, I wish I had pry bars. This is in the way.
This or this. All right, we got all the bolts out for this little cast piece of the manifold. It's a matter of just crushing this boot.
They're like in the way of each other.
Yeah.
Nice.
This like part hits that. That's weird. So I lift this, and then lift yours a bit more.
Get stuck on that thing.
Yes. Woo! Damn.
Right.
Look at that. You guys witnessed that.
Double up.
Now this one should be easy.
We're gonna get
Should
to
we
look at the
take these off?
compressor housing too.
Yeah, these lines. Coolant lines going to the turbos probably. See if anything spills.
I don't need these anyways, so.
No. Let's pull those out of the way.
Nice.
Yes. Look at that little turbo.
So bitch.
Oh my god. That's tiny. Yeah, how's the shaft play?
There's none on this one.
Nice. Dude, that is
This one's
very
actually
small.
pretty good.
So, taking a look at the fins on the turbo. Look, they're pretty bent.
So
Well, you can see that, but
something must have fucked him at some point.
I don't know. But there's no shaft play, as you said.
Yeah, not on this one at least.
Oh, yeah.
But this is also compressor side, so
Yeah.
it'll be a different story when we get to exhaust side.
What are you thinking so far?
Seems pretty straightforward, but I think it's gonna get pretty complicated.
Yeah.
Soon.
I mean, we almost got the twins exposed. Oh, that's probably still tight.
Sick.
Nice. How's she look?
Super black in there.
Usual. Sweet. Now, I guess heat shield next. Last bolt of the heat shield. Well, hopefully, I don't think we can get around this.
Fuck it, we'll just crush it.
Yeah, Ben. We don't need it. Oh my god,
That's right.
yeah.
Holy shit.
Look at that. There they are. The manifold and the turbos.
Damn.
Holy crap. Pretty sick.
Okay, so coolant lines. Don't need these.
So yeah, obviously all these bolts have been through like a million heat cycles, and you want to be very careful with taking manifold, like exhaust manifold or turbo nuts off. So we're gonna PB blast them, or what is that?
This is gum out super penetrant.
Yeah, so
Penetrates rust and corrosion.
spray the shit out of them, leave it for like 10 minutes.
Penetrates rust, corrosion, and your girlfriend. What the? It really says that?
Savage.
Yeah, yo, this
company, man.
full of savages.
I don't know.
I'm not really sure what to do next.
That's his first time saying that. But yeah, we're just
So we've got all this shit out.
sitting here deciding.
It's pretty, like, definitely freed things up a lot, but now I
Yeah.
don't know what to do. So, turn to Google, like our first plan was.
So we just resprayed the whole manifold. We're gonna work on getting the downpipe off. Yes! Where'd that downpipe at? There it is.
Okay, can you pass me a 10mm socket?
Yes.
Yeah, just any will do. Thanks.
First downpipe bolt off.
Okay, this time we're gonna mix things up. I need a 17 wrench, 14 socket. Like, you take this one back.
Yeah, one sec.
And this.
You have a 14 socket already, don't you?
No, that's 10.
Okay. There you go. Alright, so I'm just working on getting that O2 sensor off of the elbow. Show them what you're doing down there.
Hey guys. Okay. We're underneath the car right now. Excuse my heavy breathing. This is hard as hell. This is the room that I've given myself to work with. So, you know, I could pretty much kiss my car if I wanted to.
Which he does.
No, I don't. I swear I don't. My strange addiction.
Look for the video.
Okay, so this is a super up close shot. This is the Crossmember Extension. Focus. So this is gonna have to come off. Then so is this piece here. And then once those are out, we can get up and start getting out these downpipe bolts, which attach to the bottom of the second turbo there. So once we get that out, then we can start pulling more shit out. Oh, it's David's hand. So yeah, that's what we're working with now. Last downpipe bolt.
Oh, yeah. Everything just falls on you.
One that I threaded on my hand. There she is.
Sick. She's out. Dang. Nice.
Gasket's in pretty good shape.
Yeah, gasket's still good, looks like. Alright, put this in our pile. Now I guess we just work on getting these cast pieces out so we can access the manifold bolts there.
I don't know how many threads there are.
It wasn't that big. Oh, and it fell.
That's okay.
Is it loose though?
Yeah.
Perfect. Sick. Let me add that to her. Oh, look at that.
Progress. Oh shit.
Nice. Yeah. Look, now we can get to all the manifold bolts.
I really want to take this out though.
Same, but it goes like along the firewall. Risky. Pretty sure we have everything off, attaching to the manifold, where we can just unbolt it and then keep the turbos on, and then just take everything out like that as an assembly. Yeah, as you can see, some of the coolant lines are still attached to the turbo, but they're disconnected on the other end. So, and the same with this cast piece here.
No idea.
Guess we'll try it out. That's all that there's to do with the mask spray.
Yeah. Okay, so we don't really know what to do next. So I guess the only bolts we can see are these. So we're just gonna see. I think that's 14. So we're just gonna start pulling these out and see what happens.
Yeah. This is the importantest part. The moment of truth.
Sort of.
If you snap any of these studs, you're forked.
I think I should be okay.
Nice. And is it just the nut?
That is good.
Yeah. Sick. There it is.
Nice. Touch it. Touch it again.
How are the fins? Jamie's here, by the way. So, taking the turbos off so we can get to the bolts on the bottom of the manifold, and look what we found.
Some broken fins. So these two have been chewed up, spit out, and then tossed
There's
around.
a piece of one in there.
Yeah, there's a piece lying inside this.
Look at that huge chunk missing out of that one. Overheated and just like bent off. Fork.
Yeah, that's bad.
So if anyone wants to buy these turbos,
For sale.
700 each.
Must be sold as a set.
It's mint, as you can see. And this side doesn't even spin. It really stops right away.
It'll blend alright.
Oh,
This one connected.
Yay! Nice.
Damn, look at that.
Another piece of the puzzle. Let's see it. Open up that door.
Damn.
Nice. Now we can get to those bottom bolts.
Here's the bolt. Needs to be even. Nice.
Yeah. This is the end of where we got for today. First turbo off, second one still on. Me and Jamie slaving away. Jesse's not even here. So yeah, stay tuned for next episode.